Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to clean the house and I'd like you to clean with me. I'm going to start off with cleaning my sofas, my two single sofas that my baby has dirtified, with touching with his dirty hands when he's eating, and also, spraying the food off of his mouth. So I'm going to show you the before and after video so you can be able to check the difference. I'm going to use Astonish carpet and upholstery cleaner. Then I'll clean the carpets, then with the room, and then I go to the kitchen. So come with me, guys. If you have a bright colored seat and you don't know what to do, here's a solution for you. So guys, this is my son's play area. I want to clean the mat, and then I clean that thing for putting the toys inside. He's just slept after having his 10 o'clock meal. So this is the perfect time to clean this. I'm going to replace it with something else so he can play with in the meantime, and then as it dries up. But this thing I'm going to use Astonish, so it's not going to take long to dry. He likes walking around it a lot and touching it with dirty hands sometimes when he's eating. After he's eaten and he wants to run away from eating more food, he goes to that thing and just holds it a lot. So it's a bit dirty. This is how it looks from the week's activities. I want to clean. The sides are cleaner compared to the top because of course of touching every time he wants to play. He likes standing there and practicing to walk. So I'll also clean his toys, soak them in clean them in jik and disinfectant and all that, and also clean this baby walker because sometimes he likes to touch it a lot. So considering it's near the door, I normally clean it every single day I can. So I'm going to remove this thing and go and clean it outside in the balcony, and then I'll take this to the kitchen so I can clean them inside a bucket with jik and disinfectant, and then I'll take the mat out. Let me just show you how I clean this thing. So guys, I'm going to clean the TV. My son has had this tendency of touching the screen a lot. So if you can see, you'll see there's some fingerprints when he's watching Cocomelon. So I would need to clean the TV as well. I do that every single day. So guys, if you see, I'm using an old sock. I repurposed an old sock so I can be able to clean easily with it. This is how it looks like. I put my hand inside, and then I spray this pledge on it, and then I can be able to maneuver easily. One side I normally make it dry, the other side is wet. So I clean with the wet side, and then I dry it with the dry side. These socks are available anywhere in town. Just that I lost a pair. I lost one piece, so I use this to clean the TV. So yeah.
shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold.
So guys, I've removed this stuff for the fridge, the internal stuff. I'm going to clean them separately, and then inside here I'm going to clean with the water, kitamba and jik. I was using vinegar kitambo, but imeisha, so I just have this remaining, this one. I want to use it for something else, so let me clean in here, then I'm going to clean the other parts, and then we're good to go. I can return everything else in the fridge. I have switched off the fridge. If you can see there, I switched it off so that I can be able, so that it can, you know, melt. Whatever ice is in there can melt, so it's melted. So let me start cleaning.
toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame...
So guys, I'm going to end this video at that. I'm going to go ahead and prepare baby's meal, feed him, and then I can go back to cleaning the toilets and the bathroom. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the red subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post a video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.